remember we bought a fixer-upper from this. It's moving day! We just brought up a load of stuff from the trailer to our storage units. So let's go see what they look like. We are currently putting together some shelving units that we got from Amazon over here, which are very helpful. It's a big help. We have the car in here and then all of our stuff. A beautiful, beautiful view. Good job. Munching on some Wendy's with Cooper. We're having a little picnic. The walkthrough is in, oh my gosh, the walkthrough is in an hour and a half. We still have the TV up. And this is what the house looks like still. It's really not as bad as it looks. Honestly, it just looked really scary when I showed it on camera. But pretty much like all this stuff is coming with us, and then everything else just has to go into the trailer. And I'm cleaning in between all of this. But I was shaking. I was like, I need food. Connor just did a dump run. He's doing that now. And then hopefully we can finish up. I'm shaking. It is 4:56. I'm like, I should have filmed this, but I'm like furiously mopping the floors. Oh, it's still sitting there. Okay, we brought the Christmas tree. We gotta get the Christmas tree. I'm like mopping the floors like a crazy lady. Want me to help you with that?
Christmas tree.
Okay, be right back. We just signed the papers. I just can't believe that like we're at this moment, but I'm not going to celebrate yet. I'm going to wait until we get the call that the buyers purchased. We just closed on our house. I have the key in my hand. I'm so excited. My mom said we have to do this over. Come here. Oh! Just remember, we bought a fixer-upper. Like their family room edition. It's just a basement. But they look like it. Like if you look, bathroom is just like all gray. It's very outdated. That way we fall.
There you go.
It has hardwood floors.
Pull your hair back.
From this to this. Tight budget, so we're gonna have lots of DIYs and make. So if you guys want to see how we did it, then just keep watching. officially our last time in this house. It is so weird. This house was filled with a lot of happy memories, a lot of really bad memories, and everything in between. I'm so grateful for this house. This house was such a blessing. We were able to buy this house and have it get us to our next place that we want to be. And I just know we put in so much love and time and energy into this house. It was like every single week that we lived here, we were doing some sort of project to fix it up and just change things and get it to what it is. And I'm very confident that the next owners will even take it to the next step. They gave us some ideas of things that they wanted to do, and I think it is just so perfect. They're gonna add a garage on, maybe change out the countertops and stuff like that. So I'm really excited, and I can't wait to see. I probably won't see what happens with the house, but I'm excited for this house. I think it just deserves the best owners. And it's so hard moving, especially like knowing this was the house, the last house my mom would be in that we would own. I can just like see her everywhere, and I can just see all the memories with her in this house. So it is kind of hard to part with, and there's just, I don't know. It's definitely a new chapter that we're gonna be entering, and it's gonna be exciting. So I'm trying to focus on like the happiness of it all, but it is still hard for sure. But I'm just so grateful for this house and for all of you guys. This channel was literally built off of this house. Like, that is how this channel started. So without this house, this channel would not be in existence. But thank you guys so much for all your love and support throughout these years. It just means so much, and we'll see you guys with our next adventure.
In every place I find, I break the molds with ripples mind. I'm a hurricane.